I decided I'd video a couple more of these exercises. The first one is exercise 7, and I basically am just going to run it 2 different ways. Whoops! We were working on a Kretschker, and she's kind of got it in her little mind that she's supposed to go around me. Try this again for a front cross. Take her over 4. Now I'm going to run her across my feet for most of these. Into that tunnel and drive to the finish. This time I did a Kretschker. Post turns this time. And drive to the finish. The next exercise, the original is the black 9, and I decided I really was getting tired of going back, so I decided to do this as a serpentine and a threadle. I'm going to take a long lead out and signal the direction we're going to be going. Oopsie, she ran around the back of me. I would say the Kretschker is messing with her mind, with Belle's mind. I've taken down almost all the jump bars because this is basically just a handling exercise. There we go. This time I'm going to wrap her to the left. This will be a serpentine. Nice job, Belle. Now I want to run it as a threadle. Once again, I'll take that long lead out, indicating where we're going. Still going to wrap her left, bring her in. Oh, but I am too late. Try just that part, wrap out, bring her in. I'm still way behind her and pushing forward. Last time's the charm, hopefully.
Lie down, Dusty.
Go out, and I'm there to push her out.
Get out.